Hey everyone, having trouble hearing sound on Instagram videos? Here's how to fix it fast. First, make sure that your iPhone isn't on silent mode. Flip the mute switch on the left side of your phone. If you see orange, it's muted. Turn it off to enable the sound. Next, increase your volume using the side buttons while watching the video. Some Instagram videos start muted, so start and tap the speaker icon on the video to unmute it. If there's no sound, go to the settings and click Instagram. And here in Instagram, select the microphone and make sure that the access is allowed. Then restart the app. And still no luck? Try updating the Instagram app or rebooting your phone. Bugs can sometimes cause sound glitches. And that's it. Your Instagram sound should be now working in your iPhone. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.